Shalom to you all, and thank you for joining the second short clip about blessings. We're going to learn today about the blessing of Oseh Bereshit. A blessing we say about amazing things in nature that Hashem created. The blessing is, Baruch Ata Hashem, Elokeinu melech haolam, Oseh Maaseh Bereshit. There's two conditions to say the blessing. One is a simple condition, and one is a bit tricky, and we'll try to learn and understand. The simple condition is that this amazing thing in nature, it's something we didn't see for at least 30 days. For example, let's say once in a long time you go to the beach. Every time you go, obviously you get amazed by the beach. So if you live by the coast, every day you see it, you don't say the blessing, only on the first time you see it. But if you haven't seen the beach for 30 days, then every time you see the sea, you say the blessing. The second condition, and that's a bit more tricky, is it needs to be something in nature which amazes us. It causes us to say, wow, Hashem created a beautiful world. Now this is tricky because nowadays, we just take things for granted. If we live in Memphis and drive near the Mississippi River, probably don't even pay attention to look out of the window and see how wide the river is. Amazing trees next to it. When we go to have a vacation next to one of the beaches, we probably just think about the sun and breeze and not always open our eyes to see, wow, look at this amazing world Hashem created. If we see a nice mountain, the same thing. And our sages instituted this blessing maybe for two reasons. One, to thank Hashem for the world He did. And second is to open our eyes, look around us and see, wow, Hashem did create an amazing world. And here we'll try to give maybe a definition to the second condition. We say the blessing when we see something which amazes us, which influences us. What is it? Maybe everything that is abnormal, a special mountain, a wide river, a sea. Everything like that, maybe we should say a blessing on it. I remember once driving with my kids, and all of a sudden I see this amazing mountain, the shape of the rocks, it just was amazing. I stopped the car and said, let's say the blessing together. So maybe next time you drive next to the Mississippi River, you shouldn't stop the car, especially if you are driving on the I-55. Well, the I-40 doesn't work in any case. But pay a second of attention and say, yeah, Hashem created an amazing world. And say, Baruch Ata Hashem, Elokeinu melech haolam, Oseh Maaseh Bereshit. So remember this blessing of the two conditions. We see it every 30 days or more, and it is an amazing thing in nature. And really, many things are amazing things in nature.